Summer heat got you melting? Cool down in style with the BreezeBand Leafless Neck Fan, your personal hands-free breeze on demand. Sleek, bladeless, and ultra-lightweight, it's whisper quiet and built for all-day comfort. Choose from 5 fan speeds, displayed clearly on the LED screen, and stay cool anywhere. Commutes, workouts, or walks. USB rechargeable and travel-ready, BreezeBand is chill that moves with you. Look good, feel cooler, breathe easier. Get yours now, only at GN Vibe. But hurry, cool sells fast.